Hi, I am Mariska and I'm here for a pastel bob cut.
Okay, we're telling you in the rest of the world to show how your hair is now. And you have some restovers of colors that are still in your hair.
Yeah.
So start with bleaching your hair and then see what comes from that. Hello friends on YouTube, gonna do her hair. Now I did it before, so it's not the first time she models for me. I start with bleaching her hair. I made her a blue bleach with Vario blonde in it and put in 9% of sturdy volume. I know there's a rest color, but that rest color is also the color where I'm going to be in the pastel tints. A lot of the blonde color will go off because we make a bob on shoulder length. Of course I start with protection. Put in also a plaque system into the bleach. And when you put a plaque system into the bleach, you better make first the bleach and then put the plaques in, because otherwise the plaques don't mix that well into the bleach. Going to apply the bleach. Start about a centimeter from the outgrow. First set in the dark color, because that's the main reason we can put the bleach on. It took about 50 minutes to get all the color, but not on the outgrow. So now I leave this for 20 minutes, I think around 20 minutes. Watch what the old color of the violet color does, because now it's getting in a light brown, bit copper brown. So I wonder what that will be. Then I would set in the outgrow, and then of course rinse it out, put the other color on, and then we'll cut it. Waited for 50 minutes. Now open the plastic foil, set in the outgrow with the rest of the product. You can see the difference in color, lights, and I will use the color that stays over, so that's the color I'm going to use on as a color. But then set in the outgrow with the rest of the color. Into my bleach I did conditioner. I did a silver conditioner of Lakme. This I do because bleach is a powder product, and when I put a conditioner in it, it stays much smoother and it works much nicer. So for me it's better to do, but also for the customer it's better to have. So I set in all the colors and then close the plastic foil again, and then after the time it was on, I tell you how long it took, and I'm going to make the color on my hair. After we rinsed out the color, the bleach, these are the restovers. This is a dark color being black or something like that, with a purple base. Then we have a nice bluish color. This color we're going to use. This color we're going to use, only the outgrow will be in a bit darker color connecting to this color, and also the blue we're going to use in her colors. Do this with Bravada colors, starting in the neckline and building up to the top. So I turn it, because then I start in the neck. The nice thing about Bravada colors is they mix into the ball, but not into the colors you put on the hair. Set hair aside. This is a reddish color. I softly worked into the color of the rest of the color, because we both love the color very much. Gently work it in. And the ends, we take a bluish color. Now you won't see this color because when it's cut, it's laying on the shoulder, so it will be a standing cutting of a bob. So that's why you never see this color, but I have to set it in because otherwise it don't work in the lines. Okay, I put some foils in the middle of her hair because I need to protect the blue colors that they don't overflow. I see all orange lines in it, and this I leave on for about 50 minutes, then rinse it out. Then I'm going to blow dry it, and then I'm going to cut it standing, so we'll be back. We're back from coloring. So now I'm going to dry it. Before I dry it, I put in a straight cream because I want to cut it standing, because it's a shoulder length bob. And first I make it dry so I can cut it in the natural lines. And of course I show you the colors when the hair is dry. Dry it with a light brush.
Ik word er vrolijk van.
Ja, leuk is die, hè?
Ja.
We're talking on Dutch about color. As you can see the reddish color on top and then the orange that was left over of the black travels softly into the blue. And the condition of her hair is wonderful. For so far blow drying. Before I go cutting the hair, I will use the iron to straighten it a bit, so I'm certain that I have a straight line to work on. The iron I use is of Kione. I want a straight line because I want to cut in a straight line. Just gently go down. Make sure there's no curl into the hair again before I start cutting the hair. Bij het eerste kwijt natuurlijk altijd conditie van je haar.
Ja. Ja, mijn haar heeft echt wel eens momenten gehad dat het echt zoiets had van, wat doe je nu?
Ja. Trut!
Die ene keer dat ik zelf geblondeerd had bijvoorbeeld, dat was een mooi voorbeeld dat mijn haar zoiets had van nee, dat is geen goed plan.
Okay, now this is the length, as you see how tall Dutch girls are. Gonna work it out with my clipper. Like on the hair, on the back, watch at the shoulders, go in with my clipper. Show you that a minute. Again, watch at the shoulders, go in with my clipper, hold it in a straight line, so I get an ultra blonde line. On the Kione clipper is a ceramic blade, so it doesn't damage the hairs. Now ask her to bend a bit to the front, not too much. And just lift out the hairs that stick out a bit. This comes by the curve of the skull. So you have to be aware of that. So now I've got a straight line. Je mag even schudden een beetje. So I have also a lot of volume, you see, and you have a very trendy on shoulder length hairstyle. So it's a very strong hairstyle. Yeah, sit down. Playing with the hairs.
Altijd fijn.
Zeker. Maar je bent ook heel van dat spul krijgen, van de dode zo.
Ja, je beweegt het tenminste weer gewoon zoals het hoort te bewegen.
Ja. Now with my largest Kiona scissor, it's 8. I just travel nice and easy over the line of cutting, just taking off the ends that can stick out because I take them up with my fingers. And then I first make photos of the straight line of this hairstyle. And then I'm gonna work it out a bit with the curly lines, so you can see also how that looks. Take also the hairs to the front, to the side, so you can see what I do. Just minor corrections. So first make photos of this, and then I work it out a little bit more curly, so you see how that looks on her. Ja, wel mooi. Deze heb ik af. Het ziet er foto's mooier uit, het ziet er gelijk veel mooier uit. Het is echt gaaf. How does your hair feel?
Really soft.
Yeah. Do you like the colors?
It's perfect.
Yeah. It's totally different than most people have. So it's also nice to be a way like this.
It's good to be different.
Yeah, it's always good to be different. You're just one of a kind, so why not different? Thank you very much. Now do the one left, one right, because we want to create a more funky hairstyle, not an old-fashioned one, so we want to get some movement in it. And then also have a wonderful base to work with. So just make it playable. To style this curly hairstyle, I use paste. Small amount, about this size. It's paste of Keunen. Put it all over my hands. Then wet it to her curls from the other side. Make it nice and messy. Mostly put the product all over my hands, because then I have a reserve, because what it lays on the hands I can use. Just a little bit hairspray, and use a soft hairspray, not a hard one. Now she may shake her head. Okay, that's nice. And this is the end result of her new hairstyle, new color. I thank her for being my model. Thank you for watching. You're more than welcome. Okay, my love, you may turn around to show your new hairstyle.
The lovely end result.
Yeah. Thank you for modeling.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.